Welcome to Drawlipa channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to change language in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll all the way down. After that go to general management. Now from here at the top you can see language option, then just tap here. Now if you want to add your own language, just tap on add language option. And that's it. From here you can choose any language as you want. If I select English and then choose your region, if I select United States, then tap on set as default, and it's done. You can see in my phone language has been changed successfully. Now if you want to go back UK English again, just select it and then tap on apply, and you can see it's changed again. Also if you want to delete any language, just tap on edit and then select it that you want to delete. Then tap on delete, then tap on remove, and you can see it's deleted successfully. And that is how you can change language in your Samsung Galaxy A16 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.